Hello Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. I'm Bharat Juneja, and today we are diving into an exciting topic within Automation Anywhere A360. In our last session, we explored the VB script package. Today, we'll unravel the process of exception handling. Let's get started. When a robot faces a problem or error while doing a task, it can't finish the job as expected. The Error Handler package in Automation Anywhere is like a safety net for the robot. It has special actions that help the robot deal with errors. Instead of stopping completely, the robot can follow a different set of instructions to handle the error and continue working. This way, even if something goes wrong, the robot has a plan in place to keep going and finish the job. Without this safety net, the robot would just stop if it encountered a problem. The Error Handler package includes 4 actions: try, catch, throw, and finally. The try action in the Error Handler package can be used to add the other actions for the bot. By including the catch action, an error or exception message is displayed when any of the actions that you have added in the try action encounter an error. If the bot does not encounter any errors, execution continues to the finally action if it exists. Consider the following example of using the try action where you want to copy a file from one location to another and open it. In this scenario, an error can occur for the following. If the file that you are trying to copy does not exist. If you have specified a wrong file path in the copy action and the file was copied elsewhere. In either case, the bot will be executed. However, if you have the catch action, an error message can be displayed. Let's implement this in TaskBot. This is the error handler. Let's take try and catch action. Now take one action to copy a file and another action to open a file. Here, I'm giving incorrect file name. It should be copy not copied. Now, bot should give error. And click on catch action. We can store exception message and line number in variables. Use a message box to print exception message. Use the finally action in the Error Handler package to enable you to execute actions after try and catch, regardless of whether an exception occurs or not. Now take a finally action and use a message box to print something. Let me run the bot. Open file action will give an error. As we know, if there is an error in try, it will immediately shift the bot execution to the catch action. And then shift the bot execution to the finally. Let me update the correct file name to avoid error and run the bot again. Now, there is no error in try. It will immediately shift the bot execution to the finally. Let's see the use of throw stage. For example, if I want to check if file exists or not, and if it doesn't, then throw exception manually. I will use the throw action in the Error Handler package to create an error condition, which will immediately shift the bot execution to the catch action. Let's take an throw action and use the Please Enter Exception message field to enter a message that must be displayed when the bot encounters an error. You can also click the Insert a Variable icon to select an existing variable. Use the Exception drop-down to select a bot exception and run the bot. See, we can see the error message which we have input in throw action. This is HIW. We can use actions of error handler package. Thank you for joining us on this VB script journey in Automation Anywhere A360. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Expect more tutorials, tips, and tricks on Automation Anywhere and other cutting-edge technologies. We value your insights, questions, and experiences. Feel free to share them in the comments below. Your feedback fuels our commitment to creating quality content. Stay connected with us on social media for updates, behind-the-scenes content, and exclusives. Your support is invaluable, and together, let's elevate our automation skills to new heights. Thank you for being part of our learning journey. Until next time, happy automating.